My name is Nderitu. I am a co-founder and chief operations officer at SwiftLab. I am also a trained aerospace engineer and a licensed drone pilot. We design, manufacture, and operate drones here locally in Kenya, like the drone behind me. It is a fixed-wing drone that has VTOL capabilities, that is vertical takeoff capabilities. Therefore, it doesn't need any airport or runway infrastructure to operate. So this means that we can be able to scale our operations very efficiently. And the drone is used for medical logistics, meaning that we are using the drone to deliver essential and critical medical supplies in remote, hard-to-reach areas. Our mission is to increase access to healthcare and therefore contribute to the global goal of universal healthcare coverage. Previously, Africa has been a passive recipient of the drone technology, whereby you see most of the drone companies in Africa, actually not from Africa, but they are companies from abroad. So they build their drones from their countries and come to Africa to only test and operate. So this leaves out Africa out of this manufacturing opportunity. SwiftLab is one of the few companies that is bridging this gap and has decided to design, build, and operate their drones here locally. SwiftLab is contributing to Kenya's Big Four agenda, specifically manufacturing, which is not only creating employment for the many unemployed young engineers in Kenya, but is also creating an ecosystem from which other organizations can be able to benefit from. Most parts of remote Africa have very poor road infrastructure, and this only gets to us when there is extreme weather conditions. We are using drones to address these challenges, and we'll be able to reduce the delivery time of critical and essential medical supplies from an average of 6 hours to only 40 minutes. We are the first company to apply for manufacturing approval from Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, and we are set to receive it in the next 1 month. Our drone, which is behind me, is also the first locally manufactured drone to receive registration from Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. At the moment, we are open to partnerships from organizations that want to create an impact in Africa. We are also looking for investment that will enable us increase our production of drones and scale our operations to many African countries. The drone industry in Africa is quite young and is set to grow exponentially in the coming years. I'm very excited that SwiftLab is well positioned to leverage this opportunity.